gonna eat ya?
He's licking me.
He's licking ya. Paisley, you wanna come pet him? Yeah?
Drink Wawa.
Drink Wawa.
Ow. Uncle.
Yucky.
Let's go find some treats.
Yeah.
You trying to eat your skirt?
Yeah.
Ew.
Ew. Gross. Come over here, Mom.
You seems like a nice cow, huh?
Come
You're
here.
so cute. I am.
Come pet him. Come on, pet him, Mom. Pet him.
Hi, buddy.
He likes me more.
Mhm. You're much cuter. You look tastier. Should we go see what's over here? Let's go run. Go catch up with sister.
Looks like Bunny.
I just scratch it to me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. Daisy, come here. Be nice, Sydney.
Does he really hop around all around here?
Uh-huh. Really does. That one's eating over there, huh? You giving him some grass?
Friendly.
Oh, that's
They
sweet.
like dandelions.
Can you find dandelions, Sydney? That's nice of you, Paige. Sydney?
Paige, let me help you out.
Yeah.
Here you go, Paige. Hold this.
Oh, I have to put it upside down. I'm going to go find the rocks later.
No.
Cute, but...
Look at his claws.
Crunchy crunch.
Okay, let's go.
Mm-hmm.